VIP station so na yi ha nyinaa ka bia ni pe oyo for class sao so na yi ha nyinaa no VIP bus loading today that the passengers now moto Kumasi ni Sampani ni honke ka hondom na brokum sunyane techima temale ni ade esa mo na antiko that is someone antiko VIP station no VIP station ma ko bus so ha no ka ba ko client say na so so yi ha nyinaa passengers people dey group extension kwa oyi station so yeah izo
yo abusiafo high official Atija TV or therefore and nenso menemo asan ehia yi ini asawo de Atija no eka ho ana wa wie mekura enne mfata ye ni bresem ya rehosem pa o my Ghana ye komu a nukure ni ye nyagefo nti isu elefre odomankoma se o meboaye banyine si isu kura no ayigyae na ya hem kakra yigyae nso didi kakra fi se yefunu enso ehiane de the base work no Ashanti region no baso Friday enoti yenhwe animu na yentumi ente ensa emfiri ho kama afi so constituency mobilization no so yenyina yenim se edaso ho a yedidi dwuma na de aboa anya t-shirt ahodo de aboa nipa ntimada roma I think say sana yebekono ye kwa yenim no yewie work na eba bedi ho nkomo minia ensem a esisi no hadwene eno nti se me no mienu nyina beti ase se esese ye nyina timi kabom na ye den na yeti ase se it is not about problem of the citizens in Ghana a leadership ye nyina ye nim se Kennedy e Japan ababonten na nanu di se mo de betu dwa no ade a abanya akọ ne abanya ewo so sesi ano so won se yenya nu 2028 ko mo hyase de ye adwuma enka discipline beba wonya mampanyini a oba beke kasa keke okasa wi ano okọ okasa keke owi ano okọ okasa keke owi ano okọ nana edie pa na de beba mampanyini ne pa no abekasa owi ano okọ edin mfaso be ne benya de afrim wona tumi hya wonsa yesi ye Ghana fo enti yankasa nwu anim ase anase yankasa nsaudin edin na woye Kennedy Japan by wasi me am fa blame fine emfa ma Bahama for now because ade ne wo hwa yes na so de na yemusa ne se ono de agu akwa mu ensembe na Mahama bekikae nsema okika ye nyina no ye timamuni a okuma nto yam because asem papa bi anim onsemre bi mi di kan se enka ye mompaye na Nyankopon nsuyiri beba entake parliament entake mampanyina so ye ni fie ba bi ono ne yere ne maguo no so entake ho second lady no vice president ono so entake no ho womo ka bi womu a omaye ho popo womo nkasa no yemma saade we enkoso ntia womo o ni share video amede kire wo no eyawre ho minua time ene ya ba ye bedi nkobo ene ya no ntimi nsolve problem no but ye ka bibi di akire wo say NPP time ensuo yiri nipa NDC time ensuo yiri nipa no Mahama kora de wo ba ya na Mahama ba nana Mahama ba ban mu a enema esisi na no oden yan kai 15 years ago edi ne siye Mahama time ne nipa ensuo fa nipa eja shi nipa tse moa wa wo de hye ka ho no fa cheme na eja na ewreho edi ne yeje edi pa de yeje wohwe de ekoso pa no wabusa say who is helping who when never boy insisi previously ebekaya videos bi ba bonte na nam viral ensuo to say no mu piagum ensuo to no mu piagum ensuo to no mu piabolagum sa ensuo to no mu piabolagum ni nyina no mpanyini ti musema hunu ana obi di watam so wafa wo yere enua dia eno dia wo me yakoche no na no nye social media no so sa kwan na so nenam enu ti me kama ye nyina yate ase se ye woni pa bi a wabie na no akasa ana no di sem no o kire se me ba we na meye dedi kan akra no achoki no obi e pa kra atre woni obeya ebe ma nipa ni bi interest akọ other regions 2 nia odi bone and starting free do the ball akogu ensuo kwa mu nia oton dan no ana oton asase no say yo ohene mmoro mraso ohene na waton asase a eye waterway awunim eno so sara ena district ne municipal ne regional offices na engineers na munim said demarcations tie munim se ha kwan no ensuo kwan da ha na mo so mo ti ase issue papers de manipa no mo so you will be dealt with nipa da se ni timi kotro stop work no afa chire no atworo ne number gu ho stop work no number odi gu ho no nya office number ono ane personal number wo fa chire friend na wase ma miska se na mnyawo no agya chire die Mahama kasa na woni misa Mahama okasa e sabe nyansa bi amfiri mu mba na so me de be kire wara asem o kan ye no se aban take drastic measures na se o take drastic measures fan saying timamufo be ka se aban ne inhumane aban na so asem ba ohun nipa affect wom onye normal government onye normal government yenti ameka so onye normal government no se yento aba ma o se betie de nipa eka sade na be po nipa fa ya dwuma adan ni bubugu a na adan no a mabu agu ni na de so go emfa so be se mo se ye waterway no nyansa mu no ye dragi mu nyina ye yi ho ne ama concrete aye na emfuo na fam na nenamu ye pekura na ye de aye atoso na nenamu na ko ba bi ese eko we de mu bugu ho a ne mo jane saa se de be ya achina bi mo be sa ton se mi amete haiti mi complaini na ban so complaini di amfa so be na wo to aye to ababa won so amfa so be na wo to aye to ababa won so di enti aye to abade ma fence Mahama ban me ba be kire Odon River sebuni mi se ho ena fence Sicilia dapa ebru ha ni nyina pie ye mani sika twitwididie won fanko yi Odon River no na hwim na sika no osesa ni nyina na wode fa afabu akwan sika kwa $1 million o enye ketwa sika eko almost billions na wo hwa attach ani mo digina ho na wo hwa akwa ya wono narrati o ye ebe yese mumusa so Odon River no sem akwa ne kan wo mu no e wo ho ana akufo do fujiri na no ana ogina ho aso oti asem papa bi Mahama bointin ye to abade ma wo yen kokko esa video dem ra.
It's going to take about 6 months to complete this one. Then the Kwale Lagoon itself will take a longer time because that's where we have more composition of material, which needs to take a longer time, maybe about a year or two to finish. We're going to have recreational facilities. That is the sea outfall. So along we have recreational facilities, other infrastructure. We can have some hotels. We come at the end. and this makes the whole place. Then we're dredging all the way through Cycle to Kwale Lagoon, where we call the Clep Interceptor. From there, we end up at the estuary into the sea. Before the commencement of the work, this is how the situation was. The channels were heavily silted. Along the channel, you can see very heavy siltation. So this is the beginning. Then during the process of the dredging, we had these situations. Gradually, we came up to the end. Then finally, this is the stage that we have reached. And then after that, there was a continuation to carry out the silting, because as we progress, more silt come, and you have to continue dredging.
Wait, and some fool way, more cry. Yenny hope you crano, you who said you man uncle so. A kufados macrel. Ya mousika kikidi, Sefa Kodijuma. What to papa to own attach ya own to a Fuji and no with Jao. With Jina one day, a house and a one there, Sadiano, no Jina money Kufado. Hence some four mudi. When we in 2019 and when we have Faburga and when we 2020 abano 2020 abano baye afedi ya jensa mwama wuma hama uhunya akonono yebe humu sa uhunya akono nti yemfa abana ma yebe humu se wo yemfa abana ma sa breno we mu ne yekoso no na wuma hama wo kansem hunu wachire as if say 50 years ago the see ya wo na ewo wo nsam a nipa wu ye flade ho ade nipa wu ye no wanye ho adwuma wo ye tuma etuti awo no o sa sabe nkwasasem sa wo no ye to abati ano no ye to abati ano no ofiri abaye mu no flade ho ya so ye to abati awo wo shi nipa ene ye to abade ma Akufo-Addo ye to abade ma Akufo-Addo ene ono nso be mesi apunti wo no gina wa na Akufo-Addo atoto papa so no na wo so gina ho keka nsem hunu wo na wo gina ho a wo keka nsem hunu se Akufo-Addo aban ene Odo River ene wo mo ya wo mo nye ne yie ene ye ba ye be yi sanitation ministry na firi ho ye be call local government ye call local government a ye be hwe se ye be yi gatamu ni ade otumu se nana se solutions are one ma flooding issues you know flimsy asema nyansanim asema yankwada adwene yankwada ntoto fe class 1 4 ene eti agro no mo kire o madwe yebekwa akohwe na Mahama nsema wo ka utumi so wo gina opposition no ototo bo papa akeso se de be ya yebeto abama no Mahama etoto bo papa akeso wototo bo papa akeso se de be ya yebeto abade ama no na motena ase na mutumi ready Ghana fo adwene na muhunu se yen ne de ye hye ntare no MPP atare de bia ya fashe NDC atare ya fashe eti we free abamu within 2-3 years ni ewura free ni eto ye no na wo de no ye dwene ho a na ehunu se enkoyia ni asan kwa akokai ana yakofa de ono no ye bone ye chance ano ni yakofa no senye Kennedy Japan anamu a yetu a yedi nachi a ye ni aprese papa we ne wo solutions to end these problems la chese wo hwemu a MPP ni asa kofa MPP because Mahama hwede asi chese ma asi Mahama ka den in opposition jankoko tiemra
MPP amambo nti afimpo ensure antoyie
Ezu enti sa Ministry of Sanitation omo ahwe so enfie wotwe a ene nso kakra ato omo koji sika wo World Bank se ombe yi gata numu a chese omo mfanye hwe no NDC ba sa Sanitation Ministry no yebegu no ni asan dia call local government maybe anso beto bia yebe yi gata numu nyina se ne be ya nso no ba ebenya kwan na asen na
Nanatiwo okade in opposition atasema okai Nana, what yasema wokai? Uwia ye ba ye no. Mahama kwabo. Mahama ko waba. Mahama na eja ni nsuo kabo mu esei nipa abrabo no. Nipa abrabo eseye. Na wo hwe obi ammo ne ba na eja hye o mienu. Ewurade Nyankopon. Me show video no nchira mo. I can show the video. I cannot show the video to you. A very disturbing na a kind nipa yaw. Mahama ka wayo. And na 2024, yes, Akufo-Addo wona uba wumia. Montimi amwayen. Munko. Mahama ba bidru. Afe yankɔhwɛ nneɛma a esisi. Yewia na no disem ɔde atodwa no so ya ba betie. Ɛyɛ ade a yɛwɔ nimisɛm. Nanso ɔdɛfo de na no tumbia. Ya na wo so tie. Nti yankɔhwɛ de esisi, yankɔhwɛ nneɛma a ɛkɔ so, yankɔhwɛ.
To let the whole church forgive us. It was just a slip. It wasn't intentionally done to malign our church. I believe sincerely that you will forgive her and forgive us and accept us as your children. God richly bless all of you.
Níjọba ẹni ogún ọdún ní àásì nígbà tí ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ìjọba ó sì jọba ọdún mẹ́rìndínlógún ní Jerusalem ṣe èyí tí ó tọ́ ní Olúwa Ọlọ́run gẹ́gẹ́ bí Dáfídì bàbá rẹ̀. Ó rìn ní ọ̀nà àwọn ọba Ísírẹ́lì nítòótọ́ ó sì mú kí ọkọ rẹ̀ kí ó jọba láàrin gẹ́gẹ́ bí iṣẹ́ ìlera àwọn òkè. Olúwa níjáde tó wá nínú àwọn ọmọ Ísírẹ́lì. Ó sì ń bọ̀, ó sì ń tó ààrẹ títí gíga mọ́lù àti lórí àwọn òkè àti lábẹ́ gbogbo inú kù. Nígbà náà ni Jésìnì ọba sí Síríà àti Pẹ́kà ọmọ Rẹ́málíà ọba Ísírẹ́lì tó wá sí Jerusalem láti jagun. Wọ́n sì.
Bíríjì ni ìbú ọ̀rádé. Èbú ọ̀rádé. Bíríjì ni na-ebu no, bíríjì ni ìbú. Bíríjì ni ìbú ebu.
Mahama, asɛm asie ne o. Ɛdi asɛm na wɔka. Wogyina opposition na wɔse NPP fo measures no nyɛ. Nti ama ɔkwan waba. Ubedu ye no. Kwabia, di abani o. First one the nipa urefi say wo na na muso nipa eja hye nipa nsuo fa nipa sa.
Ghanaians are small-minded, and that you can tell them anything, just to win their votes so that you can win political power.
Mama, dear CNU, dear SCNE, over, dear CNE, Nasa wo, and the fa will say ya, Nkawasa man say nebeye, Yankukuti Mahama, dear CNO wasamka, Nyansa Sembi Uma Yen and I beti, Mummy and Cobra.
The flooding in Accra is not an engineering problem. It is just a problem of indiscipline.
And yet engineering problem. And yet indiscipline. As Mampanyini, Ayato Ababao. Yet the Ghana 2 million powers in Nasha Wonsa. The which no one can say who we are. Now, Osi Yametana near my summer because if I would dechi and for fear a quina ye and for fear into se quinetine. What's the quinetine, mamma? Where first one look and you're too dangerous, no, a far baby cacrebino. Now, ain't you too dangerous, no? Asama Mahama being a local in indiscipline. The mama fake Canadian Japan. Let me say 2028, Nana, we don't have any option. The Yankupon A in a ditch in Nana say MPP, NDC, MPP, NDC, no way, MYA, Minia, MYA. Ono yonku binam o mafia o asamaba ye kawie ye sema ne second chance kase dua mpanyini se ntia so mprenu NPP anya 2 terms ni bi NDC nso yenyima Rollins Efrim ono so anya 2 terms ni bi nana ye ntimi mfa ya bra bom mura to press abio ye mfa ma Canada Japan ono ne wo boss na ultimately take good decisions at the boy mind. Man ne wo mie na no sesia wo hu de besi Ghana because he has the solution. The base in joining in 10 because this is the person or banu abeso tentem. Mama, de na ba ya na nye too serious na new. And new. And where ya asem ne ba ya fe de wo se ofu ayi plane helicopter no de afawiem ofu helicopter no de afawiem na fe wa hwe the intensity of the problem asi. Must you wait for this to happen before you do this? Nana eyawreho oh my Ghana ye ni kama fu to obi tinchen no no de we ya ye ubo san MPP tambiansi. Hey, MPP tambiansi. Afa won say nipa divert attention na afa yemo Muhammadin. Ni ye kase han ye sori ani esisi dan wo waterways. Ye sori ani etuwregu waterways mu. Nana, ye tu ewregu waterways ni mu wi a. Why necessary wo hwese mra be ye dwuma tia de wo ye bone no. Eye hwanya, eye me. Ana wu naming and shaming. Yemfa ye na isi wona e hwan tumi a. Sabre ya hanka fe nkrofo ayedu amakogu jail. Jail no so ye mo so mra mfa so. Ese ye gensase no mo to without pay. Odbedidi benya ba biada. But onya freedom a wode be koni fi akoye adwuma. Obeje dwuma de abo man no. Eno ne basa na ye chewa ye hand over to the military. Ntu be fa training no na obewie no. Nana, na wadwene na mu aye sound. That is what we are talking about. The fact so nipa na ya bone no, na da kwato jail ho, na oda ho, ya ma na nya adwuma bi amfa mo man no da bi. ensase a wokɔ bono a wobenya ensase a wokɔ hafa wobenya wokɔ Ashanti region ensase wokɔ North ensase ntosi tomato factory na ye ka ho asɛm no nyina no ɛyɛ sankrofo we na ɛde ɔmo bɛdɔ aban mmoka bia biu yɛsisi warehouse dan na yɛde efense security atwa ho ahyia yɛsɔre anopa na yɛfam na yɛde mokɔ farm no makɔdɔ a wobɛdidi but you never be paid because we di bɔne nti wobɛhu sɛ ɛbɛma efense wei hɔ no ɔmo wɔ efense fiase hɔ no ayɛ wɔn asabe adwembɔne kɛseɛ paa yɛ def ayi ankasa ne wɔ mu tirim we die mahama babonte no abɛka nsɛm hunu saa no asɔre no wɔkɔ na people are sympathizing with him ai itimamfo na hwie ball agu ayi mu nipa no kɔ hwie ball agu mu no wonim sɛ mmara wɔ hɔ na mmara no wane de yɛ adwuma yɛnkotie mahama wakɔ akɔfo helicopter owie yɛ ɔbaa yɛ ɔbɛtena ase no nti asɛm a wɔka yɛnkɔbra.
We just finished an aerial tour of Accra to inspect the flooded areas. Unfortunately, the flooding has been very extensive today for several reasons. One, the recorded rainfall today is one of the highest in several years. The Meteo are looking at approximately 140 millimeters that was dumped on Accra. Last year, the maximum rainfall was 56 on a single day. And so the volumes are much higher. And so there are many issues to the flooding in Accra. There's climate. If you look at the rainfall pattern from 2024, 2025, 2026, you see that increasingly every year we're getting more rain in Accra than we used to get. GMET say that in 2024, for a period of 30 days in June, we had 85 millimeters of rain. And then in 2025, it increased to 172. And then in 2026, for the same 30-day period in June, it increased to 333. And so the waterways are not getting a chance to recover before more rain is dumped. And the wet days are more. Out of 30 days, 22 days, it kept raining. And so there were only 7 dry days or 8 dry days in June. And so that's the climate side. That is an act of God that we can't control. But then there's also the engineering and the man-made causes. That is, like I said before, Accra is built between 2 natural bodies, the Kwapim Mountain Range and the Atlantic Ocean. And before Accra was built, the streams used to flow through this plain to reach the sea. Now, the British brought the capital to Accra, and in those years it was not a problem because Accra was a very small city. But as the population continues to increase and people continue to build, it restricts the path of the streams on their way to the Atlantic. So that's an engineering problem. We need to see how to open the channel so that the water can pass. But then there's also the other aspect, which is attitudinal and human behavior. That is dumping garbage in the drains, putting all kinds of items in the drains after we finish creating waste instead of sending it to the appropriate place. Even in the air, we discovered many illicit dumping sites where the wetlands are. People have gone to create a waste dumping ground, and they charge 20 cedis for the Aboboya to come and fill the waste into the wetlands. And when it has filled sufficiently, they sell the land to people to come and build on it. And so we need to, one, look at it from an engineering perspective in terms of how we can open up the channels, but at the same time look at how we can identify all the buildings that are obstructing the waterways. We've said this many times. I'm tired of hearing it. But anytime you begin to take action and you start breaking houses, people think that government is inhumane. But when the problem arises like this flood, it affects everybody. And so all of us have been affected because of the conduct of a few people blocking the channels and preventing the water from passing. And so we'll call a National Security Council meeting. We're asking every district to identify, together with the Works and Housing Ministry, where the blockages in the channels are as they pass through the district assemblies, so that we can earmark those places for removal. We'll not only break the houses, we have to move the rubble out of the way, because there's no use breaking a house and leaving the rubble in the waterway. It's just the same as leaving the house. And so it's going to be quite a major issue in order to resolve the problem of Accra. But ultimately, the other solution will be to decongest Accra. And that's why we're planning that we move some of the city out, that is the major government departments, and then also create a new center of growth so that our people will start building outside Accra in a new city, instead of everybody looking for some space in Accra to build. So, but that's a long-term solution. Like I said, it's a 20-year project. They are still working on the designs. Once they do that, we'll demarcate. People can start buying plots. If they like, they can start building houses. We'll do the roads, bring the water and electricity, so that it eases the pressure on Accra as a city. But I just want to express my sympathy with people who have lost property. Loss of property has been very extensive, and I want to thank the military, NADMO, the police, and the Hydro, Works and Housing Ministry, and all the emergency response team, 48th Engineers Regiment, for the rescue that they did. I've seen many of the videos where people had to be carried out of their houses. They deployed their boats, and they helped to save quite a lot of lives. NADMO will do what it can to try and identify the victims and see how we can just support them in a way in the next few days. I've asked the Minister of Finance to release some money from the contingency fund so that we can do some post-flood relief for persons who have been affected. And so let me again express my sympathy, but let us change our attitude and let us find a permanent solution to this Accra flooding problem. We shouldn't become like the vulture who, anytime it is raining, he says as soon as it stops raining, he will repair his roof. And then as soon as it stops raining, he says, oh, it has stopped raining, so there's no need to repair the roof. This time should be different.
Mahama flew helicopter. Wesaniaba. Na obedu ye no. Afei na Mahama hunu se. Ya draft 20-year plan. Bra na wo position na wo beba ma wo bedi aban ni bepen no. Sa 20 years plan no, you should have done it earlier into kauba ye na implementation chassis. Edi asam na Kennedy kai. Oni aban onye president da. Onye vice president kwado onye minister da. O say ministries ni bebre ebe free in crime akọ other regions. It is a ministries no. Eye be se in fact 2025 5 for pen be kan cry ho. 5 for pen be kan cry. Dia kan nyina be ko regions. On sama Mahama be wo so. Nana on fa Kennedy asam nya asam na be den. On sama Mahama be wo so. Also be boss say yenyim free ho. Fe ni yeko kreti baabi aye ne city. In kro ahodo ne yempa wan kro no a amanfo be ye ne ma papa wo ho. Also attention abankan. But discipline na enin kran no sa nso ne bi ni Kumasi ne other places. It a ho nso start a ubehu de besi. Discipline, Mahama, discipline. Wakwaba. Okay, asema wabeka. Yetu ye nesi from CCA. Isa feni wane technical people ekweshia. Na fe woma hwe drastic measures ombe. Afedie womo ebu sedan nesi waterways a omu bu a ombesesa ho no mayi kwan na tum ama nsuo no e de ade atum ama. Mahama waba ba mu ama saa flood we ne saa ne manema we nyina asi wanyɛ nti occasion bi asɛm ebesi no wasɛm ɛsɛsɛ wɔka ɔka wie pa no abu wura gu so no ano na ɛkorɔ no. Nobody is accountable. Who watches the watchman? When na Mahama or you accountable to? Ye no you accountable to ye no umuyen. Mahama muyen and what the yen yasem. Mahama muyen what the yen ayasem. Ye hwama we yakoso na koso Mahama na no se nche na Ghana fo wura firi asem ampa ye wura be fi sika no awoka no se relief na post flood release no relief no obeye de ama wo no busa se ye toto ne ma yi a enkoni na somdwe danse ye kofa sika fia bi de ahye ne nsem wo kasa nso enu badwam enu ba bia videos am hwe ebi pa wotumi say yes nipa woman from nioma because obi warehouse mu ni ma nyina almost billions of cedis ni nyina ayefrim because nsuo na twene nyina akoto agu ama nipa esesa ne say bi ko mfie enti obi dwan wu ye na obi nkwan mu ayehwam no no nso say na ni ache say nipa na he na obetimi di ama no. There was this man optimist or Kassan Wusu Adenya ne oye friend saying fashion near wopam ni ade nyina na nyina yiko and osha na somebody said may start from where Crofonia me wo me ho me ankasa me sika me de ahade enum me machines a me use ni nyina nsuo na sɛ no awurade nyame me ye ne den me de mabra bo fa hen nana mama yen that is why I will continue to die for Kennedy and Japan. This man mumi nya botere mfama no campaign season mai but obeba bonten. He will come out very soon. Now campaign season my kra. Enti ye nyina ye behu Kennedy. Me chinemu manoma because me nyi MPP ni bio. Me nyi NDC ni bio. Asem dada no ade bia ye hu solution. Ye nya solution. Me no mesremo. Just subscribe to the channel. Na share efamaye. Yanko hwesa videos imra. Ni amfa ya no the same MEC. Yanko bra.
Hey, careful! Hey, Charlie, careful, careful. Hey.
Atu.
Isu ato ena aji China for ni amanu e wo botema 18 jasi we dey free forever obi am piki bi why bye bye
enipa na wo mo sesa ne ma no omo ni fault nemum who cause am me the entia me ni obi be ya argument ya me ka kire wo pay say mintimi mfa fault no motima mu ni da se obi akohwie ball agu water waste mu and ye jailing no 5 years ni e de na ye adwuma to benefit o man no a give steady give steady obi akohwie bola egu nsuo mu obra nsuo ata gata mu akohwie gum senko na camera capture no ye nyina no wo de opa ko TikTok na bo ehim ubehu videos upon videos ani pe ehwie na case bia nso ni ho ewuda ka we ye basei no man line wo nyina app 2 years ago 3 years ago 10 years ago we saw you doing this, you are under arrest. Also say no obi ehu a kire no se de bi ka de kire wo obi hu a kire no also obi ani age the fault the fault ade na ekokwa obi anya cylinder obi anya fridge obi tese eniema pie wo obi shop mu a one day pensu atwene nyina atu agua ma obi akwa enjoy na who kosa ade na betimi de aba no mampanyini mahama ne nadbo de na betimi de aba no abusia for Ghana ya reho Ghana ya reho Ghana ya reho because unim kakra mi mahu wiase ne se problem ne there is bound to happen. Yes, it's bound to happen, but it's here. What is the solution? Edian ye ya to yanim. What is the solution? Edian ye ya to yanim. And up till now, ye babonteni abekasa say ya na ye de asem na to woni ye bu wura guso na ye koyenim. Ye be bu wura guso say ya na ye koyenim. Abusiafo, me say ye were one choice. Say no par ye ya, you forget it. Just one choice is to change MPP and NDC. And said ye base no na kono a eba city no. Akodo a eba city no. E domini panyimfo kuku dem bia ye gi wo di Ghana ha, wo mo be join ni base no. Ye ni choice than to support them. We don't have any choice than to support them. We have no choice than to support them. Yamfa Mahama so abegina ho kasa sei. Yamfa Toto Kennedy Japan a issue we esi nanim. Na waba ho kasa. Yamfa Toto Bawumia sa sem we na si ya Bawumia begina ho ade no beka. And they want to be Kabi because I didn't know me. I didn't know me. Abusia, subscribe to the channel na share efamame. Na yenkoso eni nkobo e platform iso. Nyamesha.